Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a unit. This comes from Marcel, and Marcel resides in the Netherlands. I'm not going to try to pronounce the name of the city, but this is the third unit from Marcel in the Netherlands, and thank you very much, Marcel, for giving me so much business from across the world. And this is the same type of conversion as Marcel requested on his other two, internal modern conversion with the Bluetooth and USB features, and also we have a much more powerful radio than it was before, because now it's set up to operate up to 4 speakers with 22.5 watts each, as opposed to the 5 or so watts per side. So let's go ahead and turn her on. I've got it set to FM at the moment. We're just going to run down the stations real quick, not letting any of the songs play very long so I don't get nailed for copyrightage. So let's turn her on. Let's go down the line here, make sure we pick up a few FM stations.
And the other one's Coq au Vin.
It hits close to...
Times must be fair.
Over a while. Tonight.
Series premiere. There's so many. That's pound 250.
Okay, go ahead and flip it over to AM. And we get one strong station right about
In stock.
there.
In northern Arizona to take advantage of current.
Okay, there's our AM station, and so we'll go ahead and demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions while we're doing this. First, we'll work our balance control. We're going to need our speaker level meters for this.
Or you can visit them online at PVH.
Okay, we're going to try our balance control. All the way left.
Made to order is more than
All the way right.
a cleaning company, because we offer more
All the way
than
left.
all the rest.
All the way right.
Sometimes you need more
Okay,
than
we're
just
going
a
to
cleaning
center
service.
them.
So made to order now provides.
Okay, speaker, you're centered now. Okay, let's test our virtual front rear fader. We activate that by turning our tone control twice to the right. And on this particular radio, it just takes a short travel. I'm going to back it off about here, and then 2 turns to the right. Fader adjust. So now the same control is adjusting your front rear fader all the way rear, all the way front, rear. Okay, I'm going to try to center them a little bit. Okay. Fader is set. Okay, it'll wait about 2 seconds after you stop adjusting it. Alrighty, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into parry mode. We do that by giving our volume control 2 turns upwards.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so the lady says Bluetooth ready to pair, and of course I don't do all that on the video. I just make sure it goes into pairing mode, indicating that it's working properly. Let's test our USB stick. I got my radio commercial here. Just make sure it plays automatically. Okay, unplug that. Radio comes back. That was my radio commercial. Okay, let's go back to FM. Just for fun here.
Here's a family-owned and operated service and style, located next to Costco.
Okay, we're going to play the A-Track. We'll plug these in just so you can see all speakers working for the moment. Alrighty. Alright, switch programs a bunch of times.
You can be the catch me out. Don't untrack, gotta travel to you.
Okay, eject. And the radio comes back. And that is pretty much it. Now, I reassign all the switches. The fast forward switch, I don't re-enable that because I never ever recommend using fast forward on tape. We have eject, which ejects the tape. Fast forward is disabled. Program change, of course, you switch tracks with that. This is your AM/FM switch. This is originally a multiplex mono switch. It no longer does anything. There's just no need for it. And then this I have reassigned to the aux input. Anytime you're not listening to an 8-track tape, you can press this in, and then it'll pass whatever you have plugged into the RCA jacks and back. That'll be your aux input. It'll pass that through the radio. So just the important thing to remember, if you plug an 8-track in, you don't hear anything, make sure you got your switch set right. Because now it's waiting for the aux input to say something. And there's our... So in the outermost position, this is a 8-track. So everything's working. We're going to turn the radio off, and I'm going to do my usual spiel. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you've just seen what I can do to the... Well, I guess there's not a whole lot. This was already an AM/FM radio with a working 8-track, so now it just works better. And of course, it didn't work when it came in. So my website is in the description below, and I do ask all customers to visit my website first before calling me with a bunch of questions. My website it will answer at least 90% of all your questions. In most cases, it'll answer all your questions. There's just no need to tie me up on the phone and away from the bench with questions that I've already answered on the website. So this keeps me on the bench where I can do my top quality workmanship. I don't really feel, have to feel rushed or anything about it because I'm not on the phone answering the same questions over and over and over. So on that happy note, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and after you visited my website below, you can call my number that's listed after the website. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Marcel, for your third job all the way from the Netherlands, and we'll see you guys next time.